Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Worx WG730E, a small but powerful lawnmower. Is it the right choice for your lawn care needs? Let's find out. The Worx WG730E may look small, but don't be fooled. It's a chunky little monster that's easy to assemble and simple to use. The 20 volts model features a 30 cm cut, making it ideal for average-sized lawns. The clever design and chunky plastic build give it a sturdy feel, and the grass box attaches securely with accessible carrying handles. In use, the Worx WG730E is an excellent grass cutter. It excels at keeping average-sized lawns trimmed and isn't fazed by longer grass or weeds. The cut-to-edge capability reduces the gap between the chassis and the blade, giving a neat finish around obstacles. The 30-liter grass box snaps together easily and picks up clippings well once assembled properly. The 20 volts battery provides decent power and lasts long enough to mow an average-sized lawn with ease. The Worx WG730E is a solid and efficient lawn mower. While it may not be suitable for larger gardens, it's perfect for suburban lawns. The combination of solid build and excellent cut makes it stand out in the crowded market. Although there are a few minor tweaks that could be made, overall, the good outweighs the bad. And at the price point, it's a great choice for those in need of a new rechargeable mower. For more powerful options, check out the Stihl RMA 235. But if you're looking for a reliable and convenient lawnmower, the Worx WG730E is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and recommendations. See you next time.